Okay, so I'm really excited about what I've got to share with you this week, and I'm going to have to be really quick because my little boy is about to be dropped back home from having stayed with a friend so that I could get some recording done, and that's why I'm in this setup right now rather than just a more natural setting. But anyway, I've been working on a lot of content over the last few weeks, the last 2 or 3 weeks in particular, and I am going to be doing a new schedule. I'm going to be putting out 4 tutorials a week. So that's a lot of content. I'm excited about it, and it is crazy, I know that, but I want to get the content out to you because I know it can benefit you, and I don't want you to be waiting 1 week after another week after another week for the content to come out. I want you to be able to get that content sooner rather than later. I know you may not be able to watch it all at the same when it comes out, but at least the content will be there for you to refer to when you need it. So I'm excited about that. I can't commit to doing it long term. I'm going to try and commit to doing it for 3 months and see how that goes, because obviously I have a little boy and I don't know how much time he's going to take from me. Obviously he's getting older, he's wanting more interaction and that kind of thing, and he's my first priority. But I'm really excited about all the content that I want to share with you, and I just wanted to get it out there, and then if necessary a bit later on I might scale back to a little bit less than 4 times a week. But anyway, that's coming up. That actually starts tomorrow, so be on the lookout for those videos. It's going to be in mini-series, so each week, at this point anyway, will be on a specific topic like sound or lighting or camera, whatever like that. So that's what's coming up, so excited about that obviously. And what else? Another thing, I've decided to cut my hair. No, I haven't. I've decided to grow my hair. So I've had this Pixie cut for about 2 years now, and I've loved it. I still love it, but I'm the kind of person that likes change, and I am in the mood for a change. So I'm going to grow it back out again, but obviously it's going to take a while and it's going to go through some awkward stages. So you can be on the journey with me as I grow my hair from nice short pixie to a longer hairstyle. I don't know how long it will take, but I think my hair grows quite long, so hopefully my hair grows quite fast, so hopefully it won't take too long, and hopefully the stages won't be too awkward in between. But if you see any awkward hairstyles, please forgive me, it is a process. Okay, so this is it. I am really short on time. Like I said, I think my friend is about to drop my boy off in any minute now, and I just wanted to quickly squeeze this in before they arrive. And thanks for tuning in, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, because like I said, great content coming out, and yeah, we'll talk soon.